Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove Facebook pixels. So if you want to go ahead and remove some of these pixels from your Facebook business page, we need to go ahead and go on over to business.facebook.com/settings/pixels. This is going to take you to the interface wherein you could edit your pixels. And once you have already proceeded to locating this page, it does show you the option to choose the specific business. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose this business over here. And once you're there, we do have this option to access our pixels. So basically, once you're here, as you would notice, I don't really have any changes within my pixels over here. But if you do, you will have the option for you to remove some of the associated people within your pixels through here. So what I want you guys to do from here is to go ahead and choose each of those people and then proceed with tapping on the trash button or the remove button to remove them successfully. Once you have already done that, you can actually proceed now with accessing your pages over here, different ones, and also see the different settings that is associated with this page. But essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.